On today's video, it's going to be pretty simple, straightforward. It's an unboxing video of this fuel sending unit. Now, this sending unit is from Herko, I think, Herko Automotive Group. I probably butchered that name, but I have run the products before. It's, you know, pretty okay budget quality products. You seen me unbox a fuel pump on the channel many years ago. Fuel pump's still actually running. Yeah, so I picked up a Sender because it's cheap, and we're doing a LS swap onto an 87 Chevy. So if you're watching this video, you're probably doing that swap because I'm probably going to title it LS squarebody fuel tank or something like that, sending unit. We're going to unbox it, see the quality we get. This is not going to be a setup video. I will have a setup video of this Sender unit if it turns out to be any count. And if I use it, putting it together and everything, because I have seen reviews on these. I ain't never had it happen, but they have been used products shipped. So this might be a used Sender, and if it is, it's going to get sent back. But let's go ahead and open it up, see what we get, and in a future video, I do the fuel pump setting up for the LS with the AM fittings and everything, and go over how you can do your fuel system. But today's just an unboxing and showing you what Sender unit I decided to go with on my squarebody Chevy. So let's open it up. And this is part number. Can you see it? Should be able to see it. So I'm trying this setup with the tripod of unboxing stuff facing straight down. I'm not a super, you know, big professional YouTuber. I'm just an everyday type of guy, you know, making videos that I enjoy and trying to give y'all, you know, content I think you enjoy. So I ain't got a big fancy boom arm off my ceiling pointing straight down. I got the tripod here with the camera that I bought to give better quality videos to you guys. So maybe one day, if you keep dropping likes and comments, I can afford that big over ceiling straight down shot boom arm for a camera. Ooh, about cut myself. Should always cut away from yourself so that don't happen. So it's on tape this. I think it's all the tape. It's taped in 3 corners. This did come off of eBay. You can get this pump. It's the only one I see listed with this part number. So it's, you know, it's pretty simple to find. Let's open it up. Oh, it got 2 tabs on it. One tab here. Tab over here. Oh God. There we go. Is it used? Well, I can't tell yet. It is not used. Yay! It's brand new. It's packaged very good. You can see bubble wrap on the bottom up here. Sender looks good. We got a boot, a filter sock, some clamps, and some hose. We're going to be needing that. Now, they do sell these units with, I said unit, with the pump attached, but I prefer to buy it like this because it's a little bit cheaper, and the pump that I use is like $30 at Advance Auto. So, same pump that I got on the LS swap to Gen Kamal. And the same pump that's in the 6.0 long wheelbase Chevy. So it's bubble wrapped extremely good. Try not to bend your arm. It makes good contact in here. Everything's brand new. Okay. The plug-in wires look extremely good. Very tight fit. Everything looks to be very good quality. We got a fuel pump wires here. And we should have a Sender. We should have a, how's that work now? So it looks like the pump grounds right here. The whole unit does. And then you got a Sender wire and a fuel pump wire here. Makes sense. It does right here, you can tell. So the Sender is the blue wire, which would be purple. And then we have an extra ground, if you can see, and a gray wire here, which when I go to wire this up and everything, I will make a video and explain it a whole lot better, but it looks very simple to wire up. Let's go ahead and talk a little bit more about this. As I said before, they've been some of these products, you know, that we've used on them where people have got used units. It freaked me out a little bit because I have bought a few of these pumps. As I said before, I even got one that's actually still running that I unboxed a few years ago. Good budget fuel pumps and stuff, but I have never got a used one. But after I actually went and looked at reviews and stuff, and it's quite common, but you got to think probably quality control and, you know, returns and stuff, people sending back used pumps might make it into recirculation. It even happens with, you know, motherboards and stuff like that. Happens with a lot of products. So I say that's what happened. Does got a warranty. The warranty goes solely to the purchase and the original car or truck in which it was installed. It's free from defects under normal operating conditions. It does not warranty this device for purposes other than car and truck operation. The obligation under this warranty is limited to free replacement of the device only and does not include cost of removal or install. So if you get a shop do it, you still got to pay the shop, but they should replace it for free. That's the box part number again. Set that out of the way. Open a little bag of goodies up. Always nice to get a bag of goodies in it. A little complicated to open. Oh, I found it. We got the sock. We got a new wing and O-wing. As I've said, this is a sending unit for the LS Swap by Chevy. This is actually for 87 and up Chevrolet with factory throttle body fuel injection. So you get the fuel in, the return, and the vent. Which my tank might actually don't have that, but I didn't know. I just bought it all new. Should have dropped the tank first, because you want to make sure your tank, when doing this swap, your gas tanks all look the same, but in 86 they didn't have a sump. Some years did, but the 87s and up, for a throttle body and stuff, they got a little baffle in there. It keeps gas so you don't run the pump dry. You got the little thing goes on the bottom of the pump. You got these little snappy special tool type clamps here, and I don't know how many people would have the special tool clamps that these go on, the pliers that does this on hand, so you can pick you up some fuel injection hose clamps. They about 50 cents a piece at your auto parts store. They special fuel injection clamps, what they call it actually too. High pressure clamps or something like that. They're smooth all the way around. Pretty good quality all in all. It should do and perform what it's supposed to do. Only thing it's supposed to do is let gas come in, let gas go out to the fuel pump, and tell what your gas is. Squeaky, you can tell it's new, listen. In the comment section below, let me know what you're working on, how you found this video. Was you hunting for one of these style sending units, a replacement one for your truck, or are you doing an LS swap too and looking for ideas? I enjoy hearing from everybody, and if you're new, be sure to get subscribed. You don't want to miss the new videos, and check my channel out. I upload daily content, and there's tons of content already on my channel, probably something you enjoy. And I not forgot about the returning subscribers. Thank you for watching number one videos. I'll see you on the next one. Thanks again.